Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. So for Mother's Day, happy late Mother's Day for those of you who are mothers. My housemate got me quite a few new molds. I was shocked. So this is one of those new molds. It is a candle holder in the shape of a flower. And I wanted to give it a try today. I think I'm going to do something kind of out of my typical wheelhouse. I'm going to make it pink and sparkly. Very, very sparkly. I still have a ton of Larissa glitter to use. So I think that's what I'm going to try and do. So let's, it's going to be a simple one. Just one single pour and then a demold. And we're going to look at the gorgeousness, okay? So this one will probably be a shorter video, which I know some of you will probably enjoy better than my long talky one. So anyway, with that said, let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding time. I had a lot of black left over from last week, I think. So I filled up some wings and a feather bookmark. Just going to demold these real quick. Very pretty. See, this is why I keep little molds like these around, so that I don't waste resin. Because these would make really cute keychains, you know. So, little bat wing. And the other bat wing. And then the feather. Very pretty. Little bookmark. But yeah, so that is today's bonus unmolding. Alright friends, it's cured. I'm a little bit worried about bubbles in the tips. I can see one right now even through the mold. But I think it'll be alright. Now the question is, can I unmold it? Because see, this is a complicated mold. Just going to loosen it up. And then we'll start, I guess. Okay, this isn't nearly as hard as I thought it was going to be. So that's good. It's beautiful so far. I'm not the biggest fan of pink, but I thought, well, we'll give it a try today. Alright, let me just make sure this is back into its shape. And there we go. Wow. Actually, that is gorgeous. That is the camera. When I tell you it's not doing justice, I need you to fully believe me. This is stunning in person. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with this mold. Oh, that's so cool. So yeah, that's today's video. Like I said, it's quick and easy. Super simple one today. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you like this kind of stuff, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.